In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add resume to Wix. If you're building a portfolio or personal site, giving visitors an easy way to download your resume is essential. We'll walk through a simple, reliable method that adds a downloadable button to your page and links it directly to your file. Start in the Wix editor. On the left-hand toolbar, click the plus icon, also called Add. This opens the panel where you can insert elements like text, images, and buttons. Since we want a clear call to action, choose Button. Buttons are ideal because they're easy to spot and can prompt visitors to download your resume in one click. Inside the button options, look for document buttons. These are designed specifically to link to a file, such as a PDF. Find a style you like, something clean and readable works best, and drag and drop the PDF button onto your page. Place it where it's easy to find, like near your About section or at the top of your homepage. You can resize the button by dragging the handles, and alignment guides will help you keep it neat. Now it's time to connect your actual resume. When the file picker or media window appears, click Upload Media. This brings your resume from your computer into your Wix media library. For the smoothest experience, upload a PDF. Most employers expect that format, and it preserves your layout and fonts. Keep the file name professional and simple, and make sure the file size isn't too large so it loads quickly. Once the upload finishes, click your resume in the library to select it. You'll see a highlight or check mark indicating it's chosen, along with a quick preview so you can confirm it's the correct file and version. To finalize the connection, click Add to Page. That attaches the file to your button. From now on, when visitors click the button, the PDF will open in a new tab or download, depending on their browser settings. Before you move on, consider polishing a few details. Update the button text to something clear, like Download Resume, by clicking on the button and editing the label. Make sure the color contrasts well with your background for accessibility, and keep the size large enough to tap comfortably on mobile. If you ever need to update your resume later, just upload the new file to your media library and select it again, keeping the same button in place so your layout stays consistent. That's it. Your resume is now neatly added to your Wix site and ready for visitors to access.